Welcome to homework.
Hello students. As per the given question, this is the formula for confidence interval that we have to find for. This is the standard formula, and we have Z values different for 95%, 98%, and 99%. These are the standard tabular values. So Z value differs for each different Z value with different confidence intervals. So here we have calculated for A and B, where for A, N is given as 92 and P is given as 0.9. So after substituting these values, this gives the standard formula for A bit, where we need to substitute the Z value for each case, where 95% for Z value we need to substitute as 1.960, and for 98% we need to substitute a Z value as 2.326, and for 99% it is 2.576 as a Z value. So after substituting likewise, we get the confidence intervals for 95, 99 and 99 correspondingly. 95, 98 and 99 correspondingly for A and B bits. So now let us calculate the accordingly same for C and D bits. So now let us write down the values that have been given in C. So C is given as P is equals to 0.9 and N is equals to 146 as the answer. So now we need to find a standard formula for that, where confidence interval is equals to P is a 0.9 plus or minus, where Z should be the same, into under root of 0.9 into 1 minus 0.9, and this value is whole divided by N, which is 146. So this value is standard for a C bit, where we need to calculate for Z in different confidence intervals. So it gives that for 95% confidence interval for C, it gives that 0.835 comma 0.965, and for 98% confidence it gives that 0.824 comma 0.976, and for 99% confidence it gives that 0.813 comma 0.987. So likewise we need to calculate for bit D also, where we have values that have been given as, for D it is P is equals to 0.8 and N is equals to 71. So let us write down a confidence interval for standard value, which is P as 0.8 plus or minus Z value into under root of 0.8 into 1 minus 0.8 and whole divided by N value, which is 71. So this is a standard formula for bit D, where we need to calculate with different Z values, and after calculating them with different Z values for 95% confidence, it gives that for D 0.723 comma 0.877, with 98% confidence it gives that 0.710 comma 0.890, and for 99% confidence it gives 0.699 comma 0.901. So here are the values that have been calculated for A, B and C with different confidence intervals, which is 95, 98 and 99 for all the three values that have been asked for, with different Z values that are calculated, which are extracted from standard normal tables that I have mentioned in the starting of the question. Thank you.